What's up guys, Jacob Rothenberg here, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to score a $500,000 property in Southern Nevada for $20,000 or less. I am not BSing you, this is not clickbait, this is something that you are definitely going to want to watch whether or not you're interested in real estate. Because, hey, who wouldn't want to buy a $500,000 home on a supreme discount? Now, Jacob, what the hell are you talking about, man? What are you smoking? I'm not smoking anything. I'm sober. What I'm talking about are property auctions that periodically take place. Now, as you might know, when things go delinquent, when people can't pay their bills on their mortgage and whatnot, properties therefore eventually go on foreclosure. Once properties are on foreclosure and they're forfeited by the owner, they can typically go up for auction to bidders and get repossessed. So there are some caveats to this. Occasionally there could be tax liens and other possible property liens, basically bills to be paid because they are unpaid that need to be taken care of by the new owner. But hey, who wouldn't want to buy a $500,000 property on a 99% discount? It's crazy. So here's a practical example, and I'm showing you what I'm going to be doing this month. I'm on the website of Asset Management Group. They basically, as the name of the company infers, they manage, I think, over 160,000 properties in over 100 districts in Southern Nevada. So when properties do go on foreclosure, they do have them for auction. This is completely legit. The auctions are held in the city of Las Vegas, under Clark County, so it's under city property. These auctions are completely legit. So I did get tipped off on this, and here's what we've got. So this is the notice of sale of what properties are going to be up for auction at the end of the month. The auction will take place at City Hall. Okay, you can't really get screwed over there bidding for properties at City Hall. This is totally legit. And COVID-19, blah, blah, blah. So what we have here are the names of current owners, the property that is being foreclosed with both the parcel number and address, along with the total amount due on the date of sale. And of course, it is an auction, so people can ostensibly outbid each other. But hey, who cares? If I have to bid $2,500 and this property is worth $500,000, who cares? So note, this is going to be a first-time experience for me. I've got a lot to learn with how this really all works and make sure that I cross my T's and dot my I's, so to speak. But I can spend $2,000 with where I'm at in life. I can spend $2,000, completely mess up, and not cry about it. If I lose $2,000 on a bid, that's okay. But so let me show you how this works. This is not going to be on the MLS, multiple listing service. Parcel numbers are like social security numbers for property in case you don't own one. So you can look up a property by its parcel number, and this comes into play too when you're paying property taxes. But what I'm going to simply do is open up a separate browser window and see what the address points to, and get an idea for what we're looking at for auction. And for the purpose of this video, I won't go through the whole list. It's quite a list. I'll pick like 4 or 5, and let's take a look at what we've got to potentially bid for. So we've got 336 Marble Falls Street. I'm going to do is fire up the Google, type that in, and this will be it. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath that was last sold in January of 2018 for $540,000. And it's going for sale for $1,809.77. OMFG. Oh, I'm probably making a mistake sharing this information with you guys. That's okay. That's okay. There's more properties for everyone. So, even though we only have here a aerial screenshot and a rough idea of what this property has got, um, what I'm going to do is fire up another search engine to get more details, maybe a better picture. I'm not going to spend too much time on this video doing my research. I'll do that on my own time because I am serious about attending the auction and buying property. Maybe I'll just live in it. Shit. Anyway, so that's the best shot we've got of this property. Is this the one? Just want to make sure. Either way, maybe I can drive by in person and just verify the condition of the property. Now, these are owner occupied, so you can't just knock on the door and say, "Hey, I know that you're getting a foreclosure on. Can I view your property so I can buy it from you, mister?" No, you don't do that, but I would probably like to drive by. It's in the Summerlin area, very nice part of Las Vegas, and that's interesting. Cool. Yeah, who wouldn't want to buy this for $2,000? I would buy it if it's a burnt down lot. I don't care. I'll still buy it. Let's go to the next one here. This one is going to be on sale for $3,200. Let's take a look at that. 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Okay. Now, the street name doesn't really strike me as something familiar, but I'm going to just pop open the map and see what area we're in. Oh, okay. Still in the Summerlin area. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. I could buy this. I'd be willing to bid as high as all the money I've got for this property, so long as I can get it under, what did it last sell for? It's off market. Well, it's not for sale, but yeah, who wouldn't want this property at a discount? So in 2016, looks like it was listed for $454, just to get an idea. But yeah, let's look at something higher end so that we can see the other end of the spectrum. Let's take the most expensive property as far as biddings on this list. Maybe it's something really high end. Oh shit, it is. Oh man. All right, we'll get a better shot of what this property is. But let's see, Summerlin. Huh. All right, that's okay. Let me back up. Maybe I can get a better picture on another site. 4-bedroom, 3.5 baths. Give me a picture, baby. Come on. Fine. I don't, for something like, oh shit. Oh shit. Wow. I don't even need to see the inside of the home to be impressed. I already know. All right, so I think I'm impressing myself while doing the research here on camera. Damn, bros. Damn, dudes. All right. This is going to be the first and last time I ever record a video on these auctions. I don't want anyone else bidding against me. Let's just look at the cheapest one. This is fun. It's too good to be true, right? But if I have to get into a bidding war just to get any one of these properties, any of them, I don't care which one, I will do it. I mean, it's just 6-bedroom, 3-bath, and it's going for $832. It could have a fucking termite problem. I wouldn't care. I would, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm all giddy and shit. Okay. Oh my gosh. Well, looks like we have some bidding to do. Taking place in Las Vegas on September 30th. All right, guys. So, hey, on a more serious note, um, if you want to like just hang out with me, if you want to go to the auctions with me in Vegas, or if you want more info, perhaps on auctions that could be taking place in your area, in your state, and you don't know where to look, and you're interested in participating in auctions like these, please message me. Maybe we can see what you have to work with in your area. Now, again, there are caveats to this. It's not too good to be true. You might have tax liens and other delinquent bills still to be paid for these properties once you repossess them. But at that point, you'd have to work with a title company to expose all liens against the property. That's something that I can help you with as well in the process of discovering if something's really even worth bidding on and whatnot. So that was pretty cool, right, guys? So I will be spending the rest of my night actually looking at every single one of these properties. I want to be prepared for the 30th. And again, if you want to hang out with me in Las Vegas, let's do it together, babies. Let's go to City Hall, 495 South Main Street, second floor. You'll find me there on September 30th at 2 p.m. Otherwise, guys, keep publishing, keep saving up your money so you can buy properties like these. Don't flounder your money on Range Rovers. They depreciate. I don't care what anyone tells you. Don't buy anything stupid. Buy real estate. Cash flow. Cash flow is the way to go. So, gotta do my research.